Hi, it's time for another math easy solution. Today I'm going to go over a quick video on that Malaysian Airlines flight MH370 teleportation video fakery and look at some evidence here on duplicate frames. And this is not video compression. Here's some important links that you can go and use and see all the files that I'm using. You can download the exact videos and so on. And so this is the video, the June 12th 2014 UAV captures airliner and UFOs by Regicide Anon. Here's the archive link here, and you can go and see that one, and then you can also download it from here so you can play around with the exact files that I use. So this is the link, the archive, and there's this one right here. And now, and also have links to my Camtasia video editing and GIMP Photoshop. So what someone found here was actually, so Mick West tweeted this one, and then this guy also and he referenced this one right here, which talks about the duplicate frames, but I believe someone else on Reddit found it first. But anyways, so let's just go over here. So here is the Camtasia video editing. So I downloaded that video and I put it inside. And here it is with just playing normally. Let's play normal speed. So you can see the UFOs or orbs rotating around it, and then there's yeah, it just goes like that. And then we'll play frame by frame. So let's do it again. So here it is by itself. You can see it's shaky and like that. Okay, so now we're gonna go and frame by frame. So notice this one right here. This is the same plane and orb right there in frame. So and it's 2 seconds apart. So if I go 1 frame, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a lot of noise, a lot of just moving around. And there's this one hits it here, but that's slightly different shape of the orb. All right, keeps going. All right, keeps going. And this is, I believe, 49 frames. And there it is. There is that frame right here. All right, so that is, I believe is that possibly 2 frames. All right. So that is one right there. Now what I've done is I'll unhide right here. So I unhid it. So now we're just seeing the 2 frames. This is at the 45 mark, and then the other one's at 47. So look at right here. Has the orb, has the plane, and this is smaller. And notice the background noise, and it goes like that. So it's the exact same plane. Everything around it looks like it's just been copied and pasted. Back and forth and bigger, so scaled up, and it's actually blurrier. So when they scaled, yeah, so it looks like the second one is better quality, and I'll show you that in GIMP so you can see this. You see that? All right, I'm gonna fit here. All right. So again, and again. All right. So now I put that in GIMP. So here is the unedited is the 45 second mark. Here's the 47 mark. 45, 42nd. So if we keep going fast like this, you can see a portion right here below these crosshairs right there that is actually the same noise as well. Oops, that's just right here. And now what I've done is I've scaled up. So if I now I'll show this one. This is the 45 second mark, but scaled up. And to show you, so again, it's the exact same plane, but it's blurrier. So this one, when I hide it, it's actually sharper when I hide it. Yeah, so this is going to be, if you look right over here, it's going to be a bit blurrier. Yeah, it's a bit blurrier. And you can see the noise is exact same stuff here. Oh, yeah, and then the only difference is the top part right here. So now what I've done is high contrast right here. I just made the contrast 75% higher. So we'll have, I did on both of them right here. So this is the 47 second mark, and there's a 45. So you could see, so I'm clicking it here, you can see the same parts right here. So it looks like they literally, whoops, going right here. So it looks like they copied out this portion and then made it bigger, but not necessarily made it bigger. It looks like actually they went backwards because the quality here, so if we go back to this one, so actually this one right here. So back 45 scaled up. It's blurrier. If you can see it, it's blurrier. This one is, so it's sharper right now with it gone. If I cover it up at the 45 second mark, it's a bit blurrier. You can see some of the details. So it looks like what they've done is actually take it from the 47 second mark, cropped it out from this portion like this, and then scaled it down to cover this part right here, the 45 second. So it looks like they cropped out from here, and then they copied and pasted right on here. Possibly, my guess is that they had some rendering issue and they just wanted to get that fixed. All right, so then we have that, and again, this is not a video compression. So some people are saying video compression. So if you look at this person claiming it's video compression, in this case, so what they have is you'll have the 2 frames, and it will use differences from the past or future, put it in. But these aren't duplicate frames. These are literal cut and paste, select portions and scaled up and at a different quality. So this part right here, yeah, these are different. They didn't just copy and paste a frame and put it in there. They literally took a specific portion 2 seconds apart after a whole bunch of noise, and even the noise is matching up, but only specifically around this portion, like that. It is, so it's not taking a frame and duplicating it, and so on. And another type is, it's not video motion vector compression. Typical ones look like this. So I'll make this bigger. It is not this setup here where you have a car moving and then it uses vectors to guess where it is and then uses that same image there. This is, again, a whole bunch of things happening in here, seconds apart, different scale, different. I'll just mute this right here. I'll hide that. So again, it starts from here. That's the initial frame, and it goes like this. So a whole bunch of stuff happening. The plane's moving, the orbs are moving, and then the background noise is moving, and then eventually you're gonna get the exact same. Yeah, there it is, the same frame, and it looks like it's actually 2 frames. So that's interesting. All right, so it goes 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2, 2 frames identical there, and only this portion. And again, the size difference is the key. So the size is much different, it's scaled up, and this noise is the same one. And we can look at the contrast again. Contrast right here. There it is. So it looks like they took this portion and then copied it and pasted it to make it smaller right here. All right, and that is all for today. Hopefully you learned, and yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another Math Easy solution.